I want to talk to you about something that doesn't usually come with fireworks. No big announcement, no dramatic breakdown, just quiet realization. The day I realized I had to change didn't start as some big dramatic moment. It was ordinary. That's what makes it stick with me. I remember the lightning in the room, late afternoon, the kind of quiet where you only hear your breathing. I was sitting there with my phone in my hands, scrolling, not even enjoying it, just passing time. And I remember catching my reflection in the black screen for a second, and something about it felt off, not physically, just internally. I looked tired, not exhausted from hard work, tired from avoidance.